distinguished men of the press, I came here with something to say, something written, but somehow I find it a bit difficult to go through it because what I saw in the address of the bishop is completely different from what I have here. So therefore, I will have to speak from my mind, the way I feel, and the way I perceive this August meeting. Let me first appreciate the primate for approving this August meeting in Rivers State, and more especially this time of our governance. It means a lot to us. Your presence here is a confirmation that the Almighty is with us. You can imagine what is happening spiritually here when Saint Clements are here and their wives, and prayers that are going on here and around River State for the purpose of this meeting. So I want to join you to say that this meeting, this special meeting to expand God work, not just in River State, but in Nigeria. I've listened to the address by the bishop, and a few things that I mentioned there are not different from what we as a government has keyed into. Issues of security of life and property, welfare of our citizens when it comes to issues of healthcare. We also have aspects of youth development, which you're spending about 5 billion naira. I want to commend what you're doing and to assure you that the River State government, under my watch, will support the Church of Nigeria. We are partners. Government cannot do it alone. Government has to do it and succeed with the church. The church is the only place, even those people that are not committed Christians, but somehow they go to church. And when they continue to hear the word of God every day, they are compelled to change their ways. And in changing this way, it's one of the issues that I also mentioned here, to increase evangelism, to spread the gospel, to bring changes, positive changes in our lives and our environment. So I want to assure you that we will also support in expanding the work of God through evangelism, providing the necessary logistics. My supporters, when I mean my supporters, my ESCOs are not pastors. So the only thing we can do is to provide logistics for you to continue to expand your work in the very hand of God. I want to say here that we as a government will continue to partner with the church, not just my own communion, but every other denomination, to make sure that we continue to preach peace, to enable development come into our country. Not just River State. We understand the challenges we're having here. We have issues of hunger. The hunger is not because we're no longer doing agriculture. We are, but because of insecurity. We can no longer produce, at least to feed ourselves. It's not that we don't have good hospitals and good doctors, but because of the kind of services, welfare packages for our doctors, what we hear is that they are jackbarring. And when they go out, they are the ones that are the best. So we need to also encourage good welfare for our people so that our healthcare too can compete favorably with any other place in the world. All this we can achieve if we work together, if we preach peace, bring enabling environment where government can operate peacefully and where the benefits of peaceful and good governance can now spread to others, which are the public. Our duty today is to wish you well. The committee meeting has already started, so I don't think there's any need for me to declare it open again because it's already, you've been talking, you've been preaching, you've been singing hymns. So, but however, as the government of the day and you being my visitor, let me, on behalf of the government and the good people of Rivers State, also declare this Sunday committee meeting open. And support all the listed things, not all, because if I have to support what the primate has written there, it should be 1 year budget for our government. But we have to start from somewhere. We will. I haven't seen the magnitude of work ahead, but we support the activity of the church for the year 2025 with the sum of 500 million naira. Thank you. Thank you. I wish you a successful, fruitful deliberation as you continue with your meeting. Thank you, and may God bless you.